Hope you have a great day. In Cambodia, look at the vegetable. Okay, it's selling age. Selling on the motorbike. Hello guys, welcome to my video. Yeah, today I'm in Cambodia, Battambang province, and this is kind of traditional market over there, and I will walk through there and we will see so many things that people are living in Cambodia, kind of local life living, and you will see how is Cambodia nowadays, and you will experience the countryside traditional market. It is unique filter of Khmer Highland ethnic group. Okay, I will go through there. And thank you for choosing this beautiful video right now. Hope you have a great day. It's selling on the road. I believe you will see so many strange things in this place. Okay. Okay, there are so many stalls in here. Or some place in Cambodia. Look at the vegetable. Now it's 10:50 December. It's nearly 2026. Okay, selling age. It's 10:50 a.m. I think this place is the famous traditional market also.
cục nghề chọn nghề
thật chứ đúng vậy bọn
ban châu ấy
mình sẽ cảm ơn đấy quán anh nhóm phí bọn bài mà thân đó
ไม่ใช่จนเจียดดามันเราปลดไฟกันเป็นแฟนพันมาจนเจียดแต่บอกเด็กไทยก็เราปลดไฟเขาใช่cái xu ha màu bị nám màu bị bạc phai
đã chập rồi nhá đừng ơi
เราปลดไฟรถcái xu đấy
châu cục lấy anh muốn thoát đấy
nhưng vô bay bị thân thì bọn
อันนี้บ้านย่อมเอาเงินใจ
anh cho đây cục đây cục vẫn vẫn đang nghe phải
xua cho cái này
เก็บกองโรมาประตูนี่อะไรจำเนี่ยปัญ
cục
หา
đâu đây pin mới
จ้าลอยเรียกเนี่ยได้ลอยย่อมเดียวกับลอยตามมาได้
ở đây là cục
อ้อม
นี่นะ
อ้อมหมานดู
pin pan
xanhมีกระดานมาเมิน
cái đào mới miền ẩm
อำเภอเมฆเชียวอาบ้านนี่มาอย่าเอามาต้อนนี่อ่ะ
bài mà thân thì đâu bù
bài mua chứ đấy
bạn
cái bài mua chứ phơi pram ao pram
จ้า
bạn
ao pram hả chơi bài ao bài con
tầng bài ở bay quán
บ้านอย่า
các bạn
nó ôm lại ở vô ốp ấy
mà đập ôm tí
nó không
selling food selling on the motorbike. Here's the clothes store. Is the third time for me. This market is look crowded at the morning, but it's now it's almost 11 and there are no more people coming to buy food. I think it is the end of the market on that side, and we will go back to see the another side. think it look different from your different market from the country. And can you tell me, the viewer, where you from? Can you give me some idea? Đây là mấy em không? Walking tour. Cái chắp ba này nơi nè Frey Pro Frey Pro mình Cái Khmer dương vậy số 3 thăm ra con có 3 là nên place is kind of making a sport. Okay guys, here's come to the end of the video, and thank you guys for your choosing this beautiful video, and I hope you like this, and we will see you in the next video. Goodbye, good luck.